Mask hacks.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Chelsea Chameleon and I'm back with another video. And I'm actually in a little bit of a different setup. I feel like in every video I'm always changing locations, but I'm actually in my room in Memphis. I actually am home for the holidays and I actually brought my lights and my camera with me. So sorry if the lighting is a little bit weird, but I am back with another video and this is very spontaneous. I was legit doing my skincare and I was like, you know what, I want to film a video tonight. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm actually going to be starting a new series with this video and it's going to be called #mask hacks. And for this series I'm going to be teaching you all different hacks and tricks and tips for sheet mask and even regular face mask. But I am really excited and I hope you all are excited too, because I know a lot of you out there who are subscribed to my channel love sheet mask and like Korean mask and just skincare in general like me. So I'm just really excited. But for today's video I'm going to be teaching you all how to properly apply a biocellulose sheet mask. Now biocellulose sheet masks are a bit different from your average like cotton sheet mask. They require like an extra step or a little bit extra care and proper application before you apply it. So I'm going to be showing you all how to apply one today. And the lucky guy today is the 7 Wonders Caribbean Coconut Calming Mask from Leaders. And Leaders is a Korean skincare company and they are known for their very high quality sheet mask. So I'm going to be using this one today and I'm going to quickly read the description on the back because the description is super extra and long. And if you all have watched my previous mask videos, I actually really appreciate that because that means that the company has put a lot of care into the sheet mask and the packaging so you can know what you're actually putting on your face. So it says 7 Wonders. From 7 of the most exotic regions of the world, Leaders brings to you 7 formulations with unique ingredients to effectively restore and revitalize your skin. And then it says this facial in a sheet is made of pure coconut biocellulose and drenched in a full bottle of botanical extract packed serum, enriched with nutrient-dense coconut from the Caribbean region. The sheet mask helps to instantly soothe and calm skin and relieve redness. Can be used on sensitive skin types and it is dermatologist tested. And it says the 7 Wonders sheet masks are created with next generation coconut biocellulose and utilizes contour and fit technology to provide superior adherence and delivery of active ingredients. So the claims are very high on this mask, and like I said, the quality of this mask is even apparent even in the packaging. And you all know that I love packaging and sheet masks with very thick essence, and in this packaging the essence and the sheet mask itself is very thick. And biocellulose masks in general are just a lot thicker because they have like different layers to them. And I follow a lot of mask bloggers and like Instagrammers on Instagram, and the notable one is Mask Addict. You probably have heard of her if you are into sheet mask, and she recently started a YouTube channel. I'm really excited for her, and one of her first videos was showing you how to apply a biocellulose mask, and I'm pretty sure other people or companies have made videos or tutorials on how to do one, but I just want to do one myself, just be a little bit more, you know, down to earth, and just, you know, start this series so you all can know, just in case you all watch my videos. So yes, I'm going to be testing out this one, and the reason why I wanted to use this particular biocellulose one is because my skin, you probably can tell, even though my orange is probably making my face look a little bit redder than normal, but my face has been experiencing quite some redness. I've also been getting some whiteheads and little bumps, and also on just my body, it may be a little TMI, but I've been getting hives again, and I haven't gotten hives since like the winter, and also just the cold winter in the air and just the rain. I feel like it's also just been making my skin a lot more red and sensitive and even like a little itchy almost. So yes, I have been experiencing sensitive skin this winter, and I just wanted something that was calming, and this one does say that it helps relieve redness, so that's something that I'm looking for. I've already applied toner, but I'm going to apply one more layer. This is my Exfoliate Aloe Vera Soothing Toner. I love this stuff, and it does soothe your skin because it has aloe vera in it. I'm just putting on a quick layer because I always like to use toner before I put on the sheet mask, actually everyone should put on toner before a sheet mask because it's so necessary, because it just helps prep your skin for your skincare or any essences or serums that you apply to your face. Alright, my skin is pretty much ready, so let's get started on how to apply the BIOCELLULOSE sheet mask. And so this is what it looks like. It's just your typical sheet mask, and then you just unfold it, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is dripping, and that's such a good sign. Can you tell? There you go. You can tell that it's dripping. It's such a good sign when it's dripping because that means that you know it's packed with essence. And the directions say, step 1, take the mask from the pouch and remove the protective film from one side of the mask. Step 2 says apply the side of the mask without protective film to the face, and then remove protective film from the other side of the mask and smooth it to fit your facial contour. And this one says leave on 20 to 25 minutes. Usually BIOCELLULOSE mask, you leave on for a little bit longer. Other sheet masks I tend to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, but this one is a little bit longer, so I will leave it on a little bit longer. It's dripping so much, but I'm just going to carefully unfold it because I don't want to rip it. So here is the total mask, and there is a protective filter or protective cover. And you can like tell which side it is because it feels like a little bit rougher. And so the side that's facing you all is the side that I don't apply to my face. So I'm just going to be using this side. And a quick tip, make sure you put the nose flap down so you can, you know, feel the nose on your face. The flap on your face? Yes, you can feel the flap on your face. So I'm just removing the protective filter from the mask. And you can tell what the filter is, especially after you remove it, because it barely has any essence on it. It's very dry. And then I kind of flipped it, but this is the side that didn't have that filter on it or that film. So I am going to be applying it this way. When you apply it, the side that is like not facing you or on your skin, it's very like slippery and rubbery. I don't know if you can tell. And as you can tell, it's not really fitting on your face. And Anna, the mask addict lady, she even said that in her video. So like, it's fitting, but it's not like really sticking. That's because there is another layer on this mask. You can actually like see it separating. So you can either do it like that, but you may rip it if you just try to like pull it like that. So I like to just take up a flap and just kind of wiggle your mask a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but eventually you will see where you're supposed to separate the two sheet masks. So there is a little separation. As you can tell, there are two different sheet masks, and they have different textures too. So one is very like webbed and thin, and then that is the protective like rubbery layer. And so I like to just stick the webbed part onto my face so I can have a good grip. And then I just like to work from the bottom up. And you will have to adjust, and I like to just start off like that so I can get a better grip as I just lift it up. And I'm just smoothing this part down, and then now I can easily just lift up the rest. And you can clearly see like the very slimy, rubbery, shimmery part of the mask. And it does have a little bit of essence that you can squeeze off in your hands. And I would just rub it in my hands or put it on your neck. But now you have the actual sheet mask on your face. And I am just going to be just patting. I like to kind of use like a suction cup method. And I'm probably going to talk about that in another video, but there are certain methods that you can do, especially if you have a bigger face like me, to get your sheet mask to stay on a little bit better. One thing I like about the BIOCELLULOSE mask is that it doesn't like hurt my eyebrows. I have really sensitive eyebrows and I tend to lose hair if it's irritated or like mess with a lot, but with the BIOCELLULOSE mask, the webbing is very like thin. There's like small holes and not cotton that's like sticking to my eyebrows. So, and I like to just take that and just blend it up because the flaps sometimes get annoying on my nose. As long as I feel some essence right there, I'm good. I think this is the best I can do as far as fitting it to my skin. So I will be back in about 20 to 25 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm back. It has been about 20 minutes since I've had the mask on, and as you can tell, the mask is pretty much dry. It is a little bit damp right here, but not too much because I can't really feel any extra essence coming off. So it's time to take this bad boy off. That's like the best feeling in the world, like taking off a sheet mask. And it's pretty much dry, so I'm just going to toss that. I can't really tell if the redness went down, but my little small bump definitely went down a little bit right there, and my skin has stopped like itching. Even with my toner, like it would temporarily calm it down, but like after the toner sinks in, my skin was still feeling like a little inflamed, but my skin definitely does feel calmer now. And most of the essence has soaked in. This mask just has left me with a glow. Yeah, I don't really have much essence left on my face. This is basically the glow from the sheet mask, and you guys know I love a good glow, especially in this dry crusty winter. I love a good glow to my skin. I definitely recommend the mask. I don't know where you could find the Leader's mask. I picked it up from, I believe, Hush Cosmetics. I know that they sell Leader's sheet mask in some Forever 21s, and they're like beauty company. Is it called Sunday Riley, or it's one of those companies? I know they sell it in one of those stores, and I know obviously they have them in Korea. But if I do find a link to the sheet mask, I'll link it down below. So yes, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that was a little bit helpful, especially if you didn't know how to use a BIOCELLULOSE mask. Are they better than a sheet mask? Yes and no. It just depends on what you look for in a sheet mask. I still really love cotton sheet masks, but those sometimes give you a more luxurious experience, and it can also help the products better sink into your skin. And I really do feel like that it really helped like the essence and the glow sink in, and the calming effect for the sheet mask was very immediate, and that may have been because of the BIOCELLULOSE technology. With cotton sheet masks, sometimes it may take a little bit longer for me to feel the effects of the essence. If you learned how to apply a BIOCELLULOSE sheet mask better, or if you are excited for my new hashtag mask hack series, then give this video a big thumbs up. Or if you just want to see more mask videos, then just give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, have you used this mask, or are there any other mask tips that I should share with you all? And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in general. It's time for me to go to bed. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Stay colorful. Bye bye.